everyone, welcome to Purposeful Crafts. Today let's see how to make these cute baskets. Special thing about this basket is it's just made out of paper. Literally you can use any paper like newspapers or magazines. Here I am using newspaper to make the basket more sturdy. Paper weaving is a bit challenging at the start, but when you proceed further it's a lot more fun. It's very easy to make and you will need just a couple of items to do it. Please check description box below for the things you will need. Now let's get started. Fold and cut newspaper to get 4 sheets like this. Take a sheet and fold like this to get an incised paper and glue at the end. And let's call these as paper sticks. It's easy when you make a bunch of these paper sticks before you start weaving your basket. First, we need to make a base for the basket. For that, start weaving from the middle of the stick and insert sticks one over and one under, just like this. Don't forget to glue the intersection points. Keep on adding the paper sticks as per the dimension of the basket you wanted to make. But remember to keep an odd number of sticks so that it doesn't overlap. Here I am planning to make a 10 x 11 basket with 10 vertical and 11 horizontal sticks. Once the base is ready, place weight for the glue to hold it tight. Now the base is dry, let's start weaving the top portion. For that, place a box with the dimension of the basket and start weaving by using a new stick. Bend the sticks and place one stick over and one under the weaving stick. Continue with the help of the pins and staple for the first row of the basket, so you don't need to hold it tight and it stays in place. To extend the length of the stick, insert new sticks with few drops of glue. Continue weaving the second row so the sticks which are over in the first row comes under in the second row. Proceed weaving your rows until you get the desired height of the basket. Once desired height is reached, trim the stick and tuck onto the second below row with the help of a grill stick and a drop of glue. Do the same for both inner and outer sides, just like this. The glue should be dried. Remove the cloth pins at the top and the staple pins at the bottom. we can secure the ends of the basket with paper and glue it. Now mix glue with little of water and coat the basket fully. Once the glue is dried fully, paint with the color you wish. Now blush gold color to give an antique effect. Painting not only enhances the richness, it also makes it more sturdy. Now give a coat of glossy varnish. Basket is completely dry now. Let's decorate it. Let's make pista flower to decorate the basket. For that, take a small circle cardboard and place pista shells just like flowers. Hot glue the shells onto the circle cardboard. I am painting the shells using black and gold color. Here I am using wax paper and hot glue to make a bead for the pista flower. Hot glue bead to the center of the flower. Hot glue pista flowers to the basket. Give a coat of glossy varnish to the flowers. Now the red basket is completed. It's very sturdy and looks elegant. Now let me show how I decorated my another basket. I painted silver only at the top of the basket and placed a star made out of pista shells. To make a star, I first arranged my pista shells onto a circle cardboard and then glued to form a star shape. At the center, I placed a hot glue button and then painted blue and silver and then finished with a gloss. Then I hot glued the star onto the basket. Thus, we ended ended up with two cute, gorgeous baskets, and I bet no one can ever find out that it's just made out of paper. So make as many you wish to decorate your houses with these handmade pretty baskets. Stay tuned for more such videos. Thanks for watching. If you like this, please give it a thumbs up, post your feedback and share it with your friends. Let's meet soon with another purposeful craft again. Thank you. Bye bye.